Its unsubstantiated Peugeot showed the iCockpit back in 2010 with the SR1 principle before putting it into manufacturing a couple of years in the future, the 208 Super Mini. Fast forward to 2023, the French brand is introducing an advancement of the unconventional dashboard layout with the panoramic iCockpit. Debuting in September on the following 3008, the arrangement brings a 21-inch rounded screen. As with the previous arrangement, it's installed high up on the dash. Gently curved in the direction of the driver, the fancy new screen is complemented by what Peugeot refers to as iToggles. These are installed on the facility console as well as include 10 touch-sensitive buttons that can be configured to far better suit the requirements of the driver as well as front passenger. Doing so has decreased the number of conventional controls to a minimum, thus producing a minimalist style. To reveal less is without a doubt more. To produce a comfy environment, Peugeot is setting up ambient lights across the entire width of the control panel and also door panels. It's personalized by selecting from 8 different shades, which reveal a real lightweight aluminum trim. Revealed here on the 2024-3008 in the range-topping GT trim degree, the panoramic iCockpit will be installed in future versions in the years to find, including the next-gen 5008.